terminals. What you possessed were nothing but privately...
Still recognize me? Surrender!
One with the sounds.
All is fair.
Summer! Endure and defy.
Ah, the Montana.
Watch out. Still recognize me?
One with the sounds.
All is fair.
One with the sounds. Shadow descends. Leave it to me. None shall whisper. Target confirmed. War spares no one.
My compliments.
All is fair.
Still recognize me? You can tell someone was... Something is strange here. My people just reported some initial progress on the terminal repair. Let's go. Our meet-up spot is right ahead.
Lady Carlotta, we received a term.
Please, follow me. Someone extracted the core data module. It's They call it a dock, but no ships ever come. Uncle has concealed what he took. Nothing so far. Was I wrong? Maybe... What is... These flashbacks. Could it be from touching that mirror? Energy crystals made into a mirror with pre-made sonorounds. These masterless echoes have turned hostile. The frequency fluctuations in the sonoro seem unstable. I'll have to handle them so I can search the area. Won't save me. Still recognize me? Found your weak spot. The world is mine. In the name of the Montellis. Still recognize me? Now there's nothing else in my way. All these obstacles suggest the answer is likely there. I must investigate that mansion. The way out and clues I need may lie within its walls. This layout and decor seems strikingly similar to our mansion, just with slight differences. This area, these decorations, the chandelier specifically, were destroyed during the invasion 5 years ago. Am I truly in the past, or trapped in...
If you're telling me he's adopting that orphan girl from...
I bet 2 dinners.
Can you keep up? Start small to build big. All right, time to check the lobby. Dazzling sunlight. Am I in the court? Have I left that scenario already? Now the question is... Still recognize me? Here, gently doesn't. Take this! Glory demands more. A new era awaits. Nice work, but this is... Blood debts will catch up with the... Still recognize me?
Three key areas have been hit one after another.
Quickly and swiftly. Still recognize me? The world is mine! Masterpiece complete. Still recognize me? Running won't save me. Still recognize me? Gently does it? Glory demands more. Surrender in the name of the Montellis. Still recognize me? Quickly and swiftly. Found your weak spot. Still recognize me? Victory favors me. A new era awaits. Wow. Look at you.
Left! You should have gone left. Wait. Or maybe not. Think it over. I told you before. You should take the easier way out.
Wrong again. Do you really think you can choose the right path? Stay. Let's get lost in this maze.
Do you truly think you are worthy of the Montelli name?
Just give up. What an embarrassing sight. What is so painful to watch? You might have another chance up.
Can you keep up? Why are you? The Padrino's gun never leaves his sight. If he places it within your reach, it can only mean one thing. You've been entrusted with the authority to act in the name of Montelli. Now, whether it fires and where it aims, the choice is mine alone. Still recognize me? The world is mine. You've crossed the wrong.
Swift and resolute.
In the name of the Montellis. Still recognize me? Running won't save me.
A moment of resonance. One with the sounds. Strike from the shadows.
Gently does it. Found your weak spot. Still recognize me?
One with the sounds. Spurs.
My compliment.
Swift and resolute.
Prayer alone offers no salvation. In the face of survival, creed becomes meaningless.
How
dare she eat the tribute? Nanny always said that food is for tribute. It's not for eating.
You're a bad girl. I'm telling Nanny.
Who would have thought? She's a Montelli after all. The hall is in chaos. Yet she clings to her weapon. What a monster!
This suits a Montelli well. Repurposing decoration into a weapon, defying indoctrination to chart the course forward. Her blood runs with the same fierce will as ours. Come with me. The family will shield you and open your eyes to a new world. You will rise to become a true Montelli.
I see. So Duncan was in the dark about the real cause of Bennett's death. He simply wanted to protect his friend's reputation.
Just checking.
Oh, the upstairs parlour is off limits, reserved for a private event.
Have you made it inside? This area is under surveillance. On either side of the main stage, you should see something that looks like a control panel. Operate it to disable the cameras, then place the gems I made with my forte into position.
Bearing witness to everything I've experienced on this journey.
How did it go? Any issues?
Everything's fine. Just got to the place we agreed on. Main hall, 5 o'clock. Done. front of the hall. Done. Blind spot. Done. Back window. Done. The setup's complete and the time.
Nearly go time. The Order's men should be here. Double check everything.
We should talk, Capello.
You! Why are you here?
Your guests won't be showing up today.
Everyone, capture them!
Time to leave.
Copy.
Fall for me, will you? Then, let's fall together.